Welcome to Greenway Ford. My name is Osama Faraj and I want to introduce you to the 2021 Ford Mach-E. Just wanted to show you this brand new vehicle, all electric, 19-inch aluminum wheels. This vehicle also comes with Co-Pilot 360, so you're going to get sensors all over the vehicle. You're going to get cameras as well. And did I mention it's all electric? And you're also gonna get the LED lighting. And the camera in the front. I'm gonna show you guys the interior of the vehicle, but you're gonna ask me, how am I gonna get in the car? With the press of a button. Let's go inside. I just wanted to show you this massive 15.5-inch screen. Also wanted to show you the digital cluster that's going to show you the mileage and the battery life for the vehicle. And the next cool thing is no more wire charging. So all you have to do is grab your phone and place it on the charging mat that's over here, and your phone is going to charge automatically. And did I mention that this vehicle comes with B&O speakers? And there's 10 of them. And that's some of the cool features that come in the 2021 Mach-E. Have a good day.